T3RRA Cutta Desktop has a Terraces tool. It allows you to create guidance lines to mark terraces for erosion control. It also creates drain lines that can be designed in the Drain Design tool. These are for the channels, and you can create batters or backslopes for these channels. When you first enter the Terraces tool, a start line is displayed on the map. This is where the terraces will start from. There are a few parameters for terraces. The bank grade. It allows you to control the slope of the terraces. This will affect how quickly water flows down each terrace. Direction. It controls how terraces flow from the start line to the left, right, or to the left and right of the start line. If you want the terraces to flow towards the start line, make the bank grade negative. Spacing controls whether the starting positions of the terraces are controlled by vertical distance, which is the elevation drop, or by horizontal distance, which is the distance traveled along the start line. Each time a terrace is added, it updates the next distance on the right. Each terrace added is listed in the center. In the list, you can change each terrace's start distance or delete it. It also shows you how far the terrace extends. The smoothness slider controls how much the surface irregularities are smoothed out. If your terrace lines are too jagged, you may increase this slider. Note, however, that high smoothing will lead the terraces to not follow the bank grade as closely. This may lead to wet spots, and it could require earth moving to ensure the drainage. The Add Stop line adds a new black line to the map with large red circles at each end. Position one or more stop lines using the red circles to terminate terrace lines at the right location. Once you've created terraces with one start line, also called a set, you may use the smaller plus button at the top to add a new start line. Once you've done creating and laying out the terraces, you may export them as guidance lines. You can also use the Drain Design button to create a drain design for your terrace channels and a backslope for the terrace bank.